HSI Services Aqua Barrier water-inflated cofferdams meet the needs of many applications using a variety of deployment configurations. One of the most common ways to manually deploy is the U-shaped configuration, and in this video we'll show you how. First, unroll and unfold your Aqua Barrier on dry ground. Next, lay out the barrier in the desired area, then inflate to 6 inches above the waterline. Overlap the next barrier over the first unit, then slowly lower the barrier into the water as you're inflating it to 6 inches above the waterline. Overlap the last unit and inflate that last unit to its full height. This video specifically has all 8-foot tall, 100-foot long barriers, the biggest size we offer. Last, fully inflate or top off the remaining units in reverse order before beginning to dewater your work area. Last, you may dewater your work area until dry. Special thanks to Lydale Construction in Sioux Falls, South Dakota for the footage shown in this video. If you have any questions or comments, contact HSI Services at 800-245-0199 or visit www.aquabarrier.com.